In this video, we will see how to add images in Microsoft PowerPoint using two different methods. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. The first method is using copy-paste. Go to the location where the image is stored, click on it, and then click Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now go back to PowerPoint and click Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Your image will be added. You can resize it and place it wherever you need. To add multiple images at once, simply select all the images, click Ctrl+C, go to PowerPoint, and click Ctrl+V. All images will be added at once. You can select and resize each image individually. Now, the second method is using Insert. On the menu bar, beside Home, you will find Insert. Click on it. Click here on Pictures. Click this device. Go to the location of the image and double-click on it. The image will be added. You can resize it. To add multiple images by this method, click Insert, Pictures, this device, select all the images and click Enter on your keyboard, and all the images will be added. Click somewhere outside the area of the images, and then you can select and resize each image individually. If you want to know how to make animated videos easily using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like, and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.